Siri. Hey Siri, what does the rest of my day look like?